In the meantime, let's get you a breaking update on the Aam Aadmi Party protests as the Aam Aadmi Party cadres have been staging Jail Ka Jawab vote se protest near Lakshmi Nagar area against the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister in connection with Liquor Gate. We have Isha with us right now. Ever since the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal has happened, Isha, we're simultaneously looking at protests that continue to break out on the streets of Delhi by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, Amita. In fact, simultaneous protests have broken out in the national capital. In fact, not just once, many times protests have taken place. In fact, they have resulted in severe detentions. But now, this one is all set to be taking place at the Lakshmi Nagar metro station, where the Aam Aadmi Party workers will be raising slogans of "Jail Ka Jawab, Vote Se." So the Aam Aadmi Party workers are demanding votes for their jail chief minister, and this also comes in the backdrop of Sunita Kejriwal's East Delhi rally, which is all set to be taking place today around 4 p.m. So the Aam Aadmi Party workers are already setting stage for Sunita Kejriwal to come in. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has also been at the receiving end of a lot of criticism because of how they over dramatize and how they bring about an overly emotional angle to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, especially the fact that Sunita Kejriwal and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders have also compared Arvind Kejriwal to a freedom fighter while he has been arrested on charges of corruption. So the Aam Aadmi Party has been at the receiving end of a lot of flack as well. But at the moment, the Aam Aadmi Party protesters setting stage for the wife of Arvind Kejriwal to come up and start her rally. Back to you.
Right, so in those areas that she will be conducting those road shows there, however, Isha, it is important to note that she is not a member of the Aam Aadmi Party and neither she has fought on any elections.
Yes, Amita, again a very interesting point. She is not a member of the Aam Aadmi Party, and but at the star campaigners list, her name was at the second position, right below Arvind Kejriwal's, and in fact right above Atishi, Sanjay Singh, all the other leaders who have contributed years and years to the Aam Aadmi Party.
Because now she's turned as a star campaigner for the Aam Aadmi Party and will be campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party candidates as far as the 4 seats that the Aam Aadmi Party is contesting in the national capital. Thank you very much for the moment. We get you the details. There's another round of breaking update coming in from Bhatte.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.